Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class we will be discuss about active voice and passive voice, that is how it will be converted into the active voice to passive voice. Let's quickly remember it what we have already learnt. That is the yesterday class and today's class, it's related to each other, so we have to remember what we have already learnt in the yesterday class. First I was started the active voice and passive voice with introduction, that is what is active voice? That is the active voice is that voice in which the subject is performed by the action and object is received. That is the straightforward sentence. But in the case of passive voice, that is the reverse process. The subject is not any importance, that is the lastly it is used and by the object subject is used. It is called the passive voice. Active voice and passive voice are similar, but these are the reverse process. Like in case of active voice, we use subject, object, verb, but in case of passive voice, we use object plus verb plus subject. It is the way of the active voice and passive voice, and I was learning you that is which cases we will be used, that is active voice and passive voice. Active voice generally we use in our daily life and we can talk with the active voice. But in case of passive voice, when we don't want to give importance to subject, that case, and another case is that when the subject is not mentioned and not required to mention, that case passive voice is used. I was learning you, and today we will be learning about how to convert active voice and passive voice, and that is the 5 procedure and how it will be executed. Today we will be learn. Let's get started. Convert active voice to passive voice. Basically 5 simple steps here to convert active voice to passive voice. 5 steps, what is that? First one is identify, second one is swap, third one is convert, and fourth one is add helping verb before the main verb, and fifth one is adding preposition by the subject. It is the 5 steps that we can convert active voice to passive voice, and also we can convert active voice to passive voice easily. It is the 5 process. First we will be identify the subject and object and main verb, and secondly swap. It means object is converted into the subject. Okay, it is the second way. Third step is the main verb. When we get in the main verb in the first step, that will be converted into the V3 form, that is I was saying you, that is past participle form. And fourth is add helping verb in the suitable basis of the tense. And fifth one is adding by, preposition by before the subject. Before the subject we have to add the preposition by. It is the 5 simple steps. Let's revise again. Firstly, at 5 steps, one is identify. In the step of identify, we have to identify subject, object and main verb. The second step is the swap. Swap means we have to arrange subject in the place of object and object in the place of subject. Then third one is convert main verb to the V3 format, that is the verb third form is your, that is past participle form, first, second and third. So as we take an example, that is do, did, done. Done is the third form. So main verb, if we get the do, then that will be converted into the done. Then fourth step is adding main verb in the helping verb. Helping verb we have to add from suitable to take the basis of the tense. And fifth one is, that is the last one, simply we add the by preposition in the before the subject. We have to add the preposition by, only the by. Okay, this is the 5 step by the subject. 5 step, that is object, then verb third form, then by the subject. It is only the 5 step we can convert active to passive voice simply. Okay, while changing subject which is a pronoun to the subject, if we will be change the pronoun in a subject, then how it will be? I changes to me, he changes to him, she changes to her, we changes to us, they changes to their. It is the basic thing about to know active voice and passive voice, because it is very top topic, that is we can pass all the academic exam in this question. So we have to remember to keep this carefully and remember it, then we will be try to convert. How it will be changed, then we can easily learn that. So we have to remember it. Then first of all, if we will be changed in the pronoun to the subject, then I is converted into me, he is converted into him, she is converted into her, and we is converted into us and they is converted into they. This is very important, so we have to remember it. Add proper noun and helping verb to be before the main verb in the help of the tense. In the help of the sentence, we have to use the helping verb before the main verb. We have to use helping verb before the main verb in the help of the tense. It is the basic things about the active voice and passive voice. Before we convert to active to passive, first of all we have to know it. Then we will be discuss about one chart. This is very important. In a tense wise, I will be learning you how to convert. So first of all we have to learn which tense is required to active voice and passive voice and which is not required. First of all, simple present. If we take one example, that is the verb is write, then how it will be changed in the format of the tense we will be discuss now. Okay, simple present, if we will be take write or writes, we can write both, but in the passive voice if we will be written, then is, am, are or written we will use. Present continuous tense, if we will be used, then is, am, are, written we can use. Then in passive voice, is, am, are or being form is added. Present perfect tense, have, written we have to use in the active voice, but in the passive voice, have been, written we have to use. Simple past, wrote we will be used. Then in the passive voice when we convert, then was, were, written is used. And past continuous form, was, were, returning we have to use. In the passive voice, was, were, being written we can use. Past perfect tense, had, written we have to use in the active voice, and had been, written we have to changes into the case of the passive voice. Simple future will, write we have to use. Then if we will be convert into active and passive voice, then we have to write, that is the will be written. Okay, future perfect will have written, but in the case of the passive voice we have to write, that is will have been written. This is the 8 tense are here, 8 form are here. We cannot say the tense because 3 tense is used, but passive voice to active voice when we will be changed, then mainly 8 tense is used. But other tense like or 4 format, like subdivision, as we was discussed, that is tense is 3 type, that is present, past and future. We can use present, past and future, but format subdivided like present simple, present progressive, present perfect progressive and present perfect. These are the 4 subdivision. Like this, here also we can use simple present, present continuous, present perfect. 3 tense we can use, but present perfect progressive we cannot use. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect, simple future, future perfect. 8 tense we can use in when we will be changed into the active to passive voice, and rest 4 are here, that is the present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, future perfect continuous. These 4 tense are not used to when we will be changed active to passive voice. These 8 are used and this is the format of that, but in this case we cannot use the 4 tense when we change active to passive voice. These are all about the active and passive voice, and this is the 5 rules how we can change active to passive voice. We have to take more and more example for this, then we can know everything about the active and passive voice. So tomorrow we will be discuss with 8 tenses with their examples and how it convert into active and passive voice. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe. If you haven't seen any video before, so I would highly recommend you to see all those video. And if you have any doubt to related this class or before any class, you can comment below. Thank you.